Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing rather than procrastinating. Clean metal with alcohol and sand mating surfaces until they shine. Once done, position both earring halves in a clamp or third hand so edges meet with a tiny zero. 1 mm gap for solder to wick. Apply flux sparingly to the joint. Flux prevents oxidation and helps flow. Heat small areas briefly with the torch or use a soldering iron for thin wire. Make sure you have ventilation and safety glasses before proceeding to soldering. Now you solder. Place a small solder piece at the seam and heat gradually from the thicker base metal toward the joint so heat travels into the connection. This controls flow and prevents overheating delicate parts. When solder flows, remove heat and let it cool slightly before quenching in water if appropriate for your metal. Once cooled, use a file to remove blobs, then sand progressively through grits. This refines the shape and restores contours. Make sure to keep symmetry as you refine. Finish by polishing. Rotate through 3 stages: file smoothing, 800-1200 grit sanding, then a buffing wheel with polishing compound to reach shine. Once polished, inspect fit and alignment. Use calipers or simply compare left to right and bend gently with pliers if needed. If the joint is weak or cracked, don't panic. Clean, reapply flux and reflow with fresh solder, or step up to a brazing alloy for thicker metals. Make sure to test earring strength before wearing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.